Schedules in Aussie timesheets are used to plan out the daily rule calculations that we've already created in our daily rules area in setup. A schedule is similar to planning out a shift or a work schedule to indicate what rules or shift calculations do you want to happen on each day. Schedules are then assigned to employees or to an entire department so that the software knows what calculation rule to use on what day. To access schedules, let's click on Setup. We've already created some individual daily rules. We can click on Daily Rules here, we've got a list of individual day calculations. Now we can go to Schedules and plan them out. To add a new schedule, click the Add button. Assign the schedule a user-friendly name. For our start and end date, we schedule this shift for a calendar year. So we may choose to schedule it from the 1st of the 1st to the 31st of the 12th. And then next year we'll do the same. The number of days here indicates what type of perpetual calendar do we want to create. If we have the same rule every day during that whole calendar year, we can say that we only want to plan out one rule and have that roll out for every day for the whole year. But if our weekends are different, we might need to plan out 7 days and then assign a different calculation rule to Saturday and Sunday. So let's use that as an example. For the whole year, let's plan out a 7-day shift and press load. We can see the days of the year show up here, and then the schedule is going to run perpetually after Thursday the 7th of January, just rolling out those same 7-day sequence. Now here's where we can assign the rule we want to use for each day. So on Friday the 1st of January, we can click on the drop down and select, maybe you've created your individual rules. Let's use, for example, maybe a flexible 30-minute no lunch rule I've created here. On Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to say we're not expecting any work at all. On Monday, I'm going to use the same rule, and I would assign that rule for each day that I want these employees to work on this shift. On the right here, I can then quickly assign it to an individual employee or to a whole department or team. Alternatively, I can just save the schedule and then go to the employees icon and then add that schedule to individual employees if I wish as well. So let's click Save. We've just created a brand new schedule, admin 9 to 5 shift, for the whole year, and the software now knows to use our flexible 30-minute lunch, no rounding rule, Monday to Friday for the whole year. Once that schedule's saved and rolled out for the whole year, we can then go to our employees and assign that schedule to them. If we want to know, because due to the sequence that we've created, what that schedule is going to look like mid-March, we can run our schedule report under Reports and then see how that shift looks during a calendar month. If we go Reports, Schedule Report and select our schedule, we created the admin 9 to 5 shift, and we can select our dates just for June. And we can see here that we've scheduled this calculation rule Monday to Friday every day for the whole month, and we've scheduled no rules for the weekend. So we can double check that the schedule, the perpetual 7-day rotation that we've created, will roll out fine for the year.